You write down the symbol, and next morning you establish automatically the association. Your brain just gives you the answer. It becomes apparent and clear for you. If we ask a question and then we look at the symbol, our higher self works with the symbolism. Your deck, you can also pull out just one card and read the first three symbols in specific sequence. You want to look into some direction specifically, and you can ask that question in a more specific way. Joy dissolves everything within our mental body. Joy is a great dissolution factor. So what are the keywords of this card? It's all about knowledge, consecration, ancient knowledge, sacred knowledge. It's all about respect of traditions and knowing your place within the sacred geometry of within these creations, and finding your own spiritual guidance and your own way. Now, how can I encrypt all these positive qualities within me? We can always do it through the power of questions. Which questions can I use in here? So question number one: which traditions do I currently respect? Which traditions do affect me the most? And then you start studying this card and writing down symbol 1, symbol 2, symbol 3. Remember, sequence matters. Or you can use your deck, you can shuffle it, right? And you can put out one card, it will show you one tradition, another card, and the third card. And you will work with your subconscious level in here. I recommend doing it just before you go into sleep. In each and every exercise with active meditation with the cards like that, you ask the question, you write down the symbol, and next morning you establish automatically the association. Your brain just gives you the answer. It becomes apparent and clear for you. You become like a small hierophant of your creation if you do that practice. Why? Because the brain, if used correctly, will give you all the answers. Remember that. Now, if we ask a question, specific question, and then we look at the symbol, remember our higher self, our subconsciousness works with the symbolism. Then what happens? The association, the answer, which is the word answer for here, it is coming to us after some time. We just need to be attentive, and you will eventually see that. Now, in order to augment it, you want to write down the question and you want to write down the symbol which you see. After shuffling your deck, you can also pull out just one card and read the first three symbols in specific sequence. Maybe you can ask yourself a question: which specific one tradition affects me the most today and pulls me back from finding my own guidance, my own spiritual self? What a wonderful question to ask. Can you do the same? Either one card reading spread or three cards reading spread. The simpler the better. Or you work with your active observation of these cards, the Hierophant cards. There is lots of symbolism actually here, which we discussed in the previous videos. Now, question number 2, which you can ask is: what do I have to explore to step up to another level? Because guess what? This guy already has access to knowledge. It's all about knowledge. So we want to expand. And what do I have to explore specifically? Which direction in my life, which area in my life do I have to explore to step up to another level of understanding my deep spirit core? That may be another variation of the question. Or what do I need to explore to understand my specific situation here? So maybe you have some kind of misunderstanding somewhere. You want to look into some direction specifically, and you can ask that question in a more specific way. What do I need to explore in order to understand blah blah blah? Okay? Now, another question which you can ask is: what brings me, or what can bring me, joy, happiness, and peace? Because guess what? In order to jump to another card, which is this one, if you already mastered this card, the jump start comes from exploration of happiness and joy. Remember, joy dissolves everything within our mental body. Joy is a great dissolution factor. So when you are joyful, you forgive everyone and everything around you. So what brings me joy, or what can bring me joy and happiness? And then you do your spreads, whatever the spread is working for you. But I would recommend, again, the simpler the better. 1 card spread, 3 cards spread if you want just the solution for 3, or you just work with the same card and you read through the symbols. Alrighty, I hope it served you well. If you have any comments, please write down below.